part में this blue color, this is the femoral vein. Okay, femoral vein, first it forms the common femoral vein. For a few centimeter, this blue one is the common femoral vein, and then it receives two tributary, that is the femoral vein and the deep femoral vein. Profunda femoris artery is also known as deep femoral artery, and the corresponding vein is deep femoral vein. So this is common femoral vein, and then it gives femoral vein and the deep femoral vein. This femoral vein, it receives very important vein, that is the great saphenous vein. Great saphenous vein, it runs from the base of the hallux. Hallux is what? Great toe. Base of the hallux formed by the first dorsal metatarsal vein and the dorsal venous arch. Great saphenous vein is formed by the first dorsal metatarsal vein at the base of hallux and the dorsal venous arch, then it runs on the medial aspect of the foot. At the level of ankle joint, it receives medial marginal vein. Then it ascends in front of the medial malleolus. Again, this relation is very important. In front of the medial malleolus. Then it ascends on the medial aspect of the leg and then going posterior to the medial malleolus. And then comes anteriorly and then finally opens into the femoral vein, this great saphenous vein. This is the largest superficial vein, great saphenous vein. It is accompanied by the saphenous nerve. This superficial vein, in the limbs, the upper limb and the lower limb, there are two venous systems, superficial vein and the deep vein. Superficial vein first drains into the deep vein, and from the deep vein it progresses upward. So this superficial vein finally drains into the femoral vein, as well as there are perforators in the middle. Many perforators which connect the superficial vein and the deep vein. At the level of ankle, there is ankle perforator or May perforator. At the level of the lower part of the leg, there are Cockett's perforator. Cockett's, C-O-C-K-E-T-T-S. Cockett's perforator, which connects the great saphenous vein with the posterior tibial vein. At the level of the knee joint, this is Boyd's perforator. Then at the level of the sartorial, subsartorial canal or Hunter canal, this is Hunterian perforator. At the level of the femoral sheath, just below this one, it is connecting to femoral vein by the Dodds perforator, D-O-D-D-S, Dodds perforator. So these are the perforators which we should know. Finally, it drains into the, and very interesting thing, that during ultrasonography, when we look at this site, this gives Mickey Mouse sign. Mickey Mouse sign. Before this great saphenous, before draining into the femoral vein, it receives one more vein. This is the accessory saphenous vein. It forms an arch here, and this forms this Mickey Mouse sign. The right ear, or you can say lateral side ear, is formed by the accessory saphenous vein. The medial ear is formed by the great saphenous vein, and head is formed by the femoral vein. Mickey Mouse sign in the ultrasonographic finding. Okay.